We just received a glowing review from someone who's thrilled about our top-notch 5-star service. It makes us proud to share such great compliments with everyone now. We really appreciate it when someone is kind enough to write about their experience with our staff. We believe reviews like this are a great testament to our commitment of quality. Our team loves to share this positive feedback with the world, so you can feel confident that you're turning to the right company for your needs. You shouldn't settle for anything but the best, and we would love the chance to show you why we receive such amazing reviews. Contact us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.